From last class, yes, can see now. Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you so much for responding. From last class, we were discussing about the chapter, I Am Special. So, we saw a story. It's about Emily, a small elephant, a little elephant. Okay, so today we are going to see a new story about I'm Special chapter. It's about a girl, a ring, and a grandma. Are you all ready for the story? You can type yes in the chat box if you are ready, or else we can go for writing. Okay, I think you all are ready for the story. So I want you all to sit, yes, ready for the story, including Shobhana ma'am. Okay. Okay. I think we can start the story. Do you know the value of yourself? The story is about, it's not in the page, it's a story that we have discovered about I'm Special. So I think you can see the slide and you can listen, ma'am. Okay. So it's, do you know the value of yourself is the title of the story. It's a motivational story for you all. So I think we can start the story. One day, a young girl asked her grandmother, what are we born to do? So this is the girl and this is the grandma. She came for a vacation to her grandma's house and she asked her grandma, what are we born to do? Why we are born? What are we born to do? She was asking grandma. Do you know what grandma replied? Grandmother gave her a ring that had a precious stone in it and asked her to go to a small jewelry shop in the market. So she asked the question, what question she asked? What are we born to do? So this was the question asked by the little girl. So grandma replied by giving her a ring with a stone. Okay, she told the little girl, that is grandma told the little girl to go to a jewelry shop in the market and ask the price. What she told? Ask the price but don't sell it. What she told? Grandma gave her a ring and she told the little girl to go to a market, that is a jewelry shop, and ask the price but don't sell it. So a little girl also did the same. She went to a jewelry shop. She then went to the market and asked the small jeweler the price of the ring. What? She went to the jewelry shop and asked the price of the ring. Do you know what he replied? He said, it looks nice. What he said? The ring looks nice and I can pay rupees 1,000. What that man said? For that ring with the stone, he said that ring looks nice, so I can pay you 1,000 rupees. Then she came back to the home and told her grandmother. The shopkeeper was ready to buy the ring for rupees 1,000. How much, children? For rupees 1,000. So this was happened. Yes, Aisha, I think you are hearing the story. Okay. Then I want you to take this to another jeweler more renowned than. So the grandmother told the little girl again to take it to a renowned jeweler. Okay, renowned jeweler. So ask the price but don't sell it. Grandmother again told the little girl not to sell but ask the price. The girl went to the renowned jeweler and asked the price. He said, it is a beautiful ring with a nice stone. I will pay rupees 10,000. So what was first jeweler was telling about the ring? He said it was a nice ring that he will. In which page the story, ma'am? No, ma'am, it is not in the book. It's the story we have discovered for this chapter. Yes, Adeshwar. First jeweler was telling that he will give 1,000 rupees for the ring. But she again came to a renowned jeweler and he said that he will pay 10,000 rupees for the ring. The girl was so excited, She again came back to the grandma and said the other jeweler is paying a much higher price for the same ring. What she said? The other jeweler is paying much higher price for the same ring. She told her grandma, Grandma, this jeweler offered a very good price for the same ring. So she was telling the same, and her grandmother had a smile on her face. She said, yes, it's a good price. It's a good price. Keep this ring with you. Polish it every day. Don't let the dust settle on it. Take care of it because it's precious. Come back to me after 3 months and show me the ring. I will tell you what to do. So what she told, grandma told that yes, it's a precious ring, so you can keep it with yourself and you have to clean it every day because dust should not settle in that. So I think you have seen your mom and even some children will be wearing rings. You have seen that, right? So same ring she was having, the little girl was having, and grandma told to clean it every day because it's a precious ring. So you have to clean it every day. You can come after the vacation, that is after 3 months to me. So I will tell you what to do. The girl was confused really. The girl did not understand what a granny wanted but followed her instructions. The little girl was very sweet. But she was confused why grandma didn't accept that. She was thinking like that, but she followed all the instructions, She was a very nice girl, like you children. She did not forget to polish the ring every day. So she was polishing the ring every day, and she never forget to polish the ring every day actually. She was doing it for all the 3 months. Just after 3 months, she took the ring to the grandma. So it's been 3 months and she came to grandma again with the ring. Her grandma was very happy to see the ring, which was shining brighter than before. So the girl was maintaining the ring with a nice care. So after seeing the ring, grandma was so happy to see the ring. It was shining like anything. It was so bright. It looks like a new ring. Likewise, the girl was taking care of the ring. Her grandmother then asked her, I want you to go to the famous jeweler and show him the ring, ask him the price, but don't sell it. Again, grandma told the little girl to go to the famous jeweler. Okay? She told the little girl to go to the famous jeweler. Now ask the price again, but don't sell it. The girl was so excited and she went to this famous jeweler and asked him the price again. He looked at the ring carefully with its instrument and said, it's a precious stone. Do you remember this jeweler? This jeweler was the last man the little girl saw, and he was the one who told that he will give rupees. How many rupees? 10,000. Yes, 10,000 rupees he told. Again, she came to the same jeweler and asked the price. Now he is telling that it's a precious stone because it's shining bright like anything. So he told that it's a precious stone. Also, it has been kept well because she was maintaining it really well. I will pay you rupees 1,50,000, that is 1.5 lakh for this ring. How much is telling now? 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh for this ring. That is 1,50,000 for this ring. The girl was so surprised. The girl came back home surprised. She was so surprised because last time the same man was telling that he will be giving 10,000 rupees for this ring. But after now the man was telling that he will pay 1.5 lakhs for the ring. Girl was so surprised, she was so surprised. I can't believe this jeweler offered 1.5 lakhs for the same ring. She was so surprised and she told the grandma that I cannot believe that jeweler is offering 1.5 lakhs for this ring. And not able to believe the price offered. Immediately went to her granny and asked. So she was so surprised. Again she went to the granny that I can't believe how much he is offering to us. I can't believe this jeweler offered 1.5 lakhs for the same ring. So the granny replied, God has put a precious stone inside all of us. It doesn't matter whether we are a man or a woman. So she went to the granny and she said, yes, this jeweler is offering 1.5 lakhs for this ring. I'm so surprised. And for that, granny was answering. So everyone, every little one, every elder one, every younger one is having a precious stone inside them. Okay, whether they can be a man or a woman, whether they can be rich or poor, what matters is that we all are born with something precious. So it's all about special inside you. So the granny was telling that everyone is born with something precious. Am I right, children? We all are special in some way, right? Am I right, children? You can answer me yes in the chat box. Yes, we all are special in some way. We should not think like, no, I don't have that, I don't have this kind of mother, I don't have this kind of money, so I cannot live like this. We should not think like that. You have to think that we are special in some way. And what we choose is to do with this depends on us. So she was telling, it's depend on us. Whatever we do, it's depend on us. We have to do it on our interest. If someone will be very special in painting, someone will be very good in singing, even you children are special in some way. So she was telling it depends on us. What we are doing, it depends on us. Her grandmother explained her, we all are like this ring with a precious stone. What we don't know is that you may choose to live your whole life thinking that you're worth rupees 1,000 ring. So she was telling, we all are thinking in a low way. So you should not think like that. You should not think that I'm worth only rupees 1,000. You should not think like I worth really rupees 1,000. So I don't worth anything. I'm not special in anything. So you should not think like that. If you see the story, the first ring was offered with rupees 1,000. But the same ring after 3 months, after a good care, the same ring was offered rupees 1.5 lakhs. So, like same ring, we are also special in some way. Based on how others define your value, or you can choose to discover your own value and keep polishing yourself. So, you have to keep updating yourself. You have to learn everything, whatever you can. You should not stay away. No, I cannot do this. I cannot do that. You should not stay away like that. You have to discover everything. You have to learn everything. As a little kid, you have to learn everything around you. Something will be boring for you. Something will not understand. It will not make you understand. But you should not go away. You have to take risk and you have to stand for it. No, I can read it. I can do it. You have to be like that and you have to grow your knowledge and continue to shine brighter and brighter. So if you learn everything and if you are becoming special more and more, you will shine brighter and brighter. And when you can see the precious stone inside yourself, and even you can see the same precious stone what the little girl was having, you can see the same stone inside you too. You will know what all you are capable of doing, and this will not only help you to do good, but can inspire others around you too. So what the granny was telling at last? Wait for a few seconds for us to make the Kiran. Yeah, sure, ma'am. Yeah, sure. I was just explaining. I will make it again. So don't worry about that. I was just explaining now. So what the granny was telling at last? She was telling, if you are being special like this, if you are learning everything, if you are doing everything in a right way, you can be good and even you can be an inspiring person for others. So even I can inspire Akshara, even I can inspire Adeshwar, I can inspire Vihan, and everyone around me I can inspire. Even I can inspire you if you are thinking that you are special. So are you special, children? Are you special? Okay, I think you all are special. Yes, I can see the answers. It's really great to see. So you all are special in some way. Okay, so don't think low of anything. You children are really special. I inspire you all. So that is what grandma was telling. Did you all like the story, children? Yeah, okay. I think you all like the story. So this is the story of, do you know the value of yourself? This is the story of, do you know the value of yourself? Okay, I hope you all have understood. Okay. So don't worry everyone, we have homework session. I think we have a 15-minute session for this story. So we can read it and we can learn it again. So I want you all to take your notebook for a while. So we have some fill in the blanks. So you are going to answer it. Everyone take your notebook. If you have taken your notebook and pencil, just type S in the chat box. In the story, elephant said, I'm not special in this story. The girl said, I'm not special. Yes. Yes, Alia. That is what grandma was explaining to the little girl like you. Okay. I think you all are ready with your notebook. Can we start writing? Can you see the screen, children? Yes. So, write today's date. Today's date is 29.7.2020. That is July 29. Write today's date. Write today's date. This is today's date. I'm writing in book, ma'am. If you have book, you can write it, or else you can take the notebook and start writing those villas. Sai Shan. If you have the book, you can take this page and you can start writing. If you don't have, no problem, you can take your notebook. and start writing those fill-ups. So what is the first question? Write the heading as fill in the blank. Write the heading as fill in the blanks. Okay, children, write the first question. Emily is the baby dash who lives in the jungle. Emily is a baby dash who lives in the jungle. So what is the answer? Yes, elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. So the answer is elephant. So the answer is elephant. Emily is a baby elephant who lives in the jungle. Emily is a baby elephant who lives in the jungle. Yes, as Shobna ma'am said, if you have the book, take page number 6 and start writing it, or else no problem. You can write in your notebook. Emily is a baby elephant who lives in the jungle. Okay, I think you can jump on to the next question. Take your time and write. You can take your time and you can write. Next question is, Emily was sad because she had no, yes, no friends. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Emily was so sad because she has no friends. Yes, children, you are right. Emily was sad because she had no friends. Emily was so sad because she had no friends. Can we see the next question? It's okay. You can take your time and you can write. No problem. We are just discussing now. You can write it. So what is the next question, children? Binny could not be friends with Emily as she could not. Binny was the little bird. I think you all remember the story. Binny was the little bird. Could not be friends with Emily as she could not. As she could not. Yes, the answers are right. She could not fly. As she could not fly. Binny could not be friends with Emily as she could not fly. Next question. Finny was special because he could live and play in the... Finny was the fish. I hope you all remember that. Binny was the bird and Finny was the fish. So Finny was special because he could live and play in the... Yes, the answer is water. The answer is water. Finny was playing in the water, right? When Emily was asking to be friend with him, friend with Emily, Finny was playing in the water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Emily was playing in water. Finny was special because he could live and play in the water. Finny was special because he could live and play in the water. The last question. Emily thought Totty was special because he had a dash. Do you remember Totty, children? Totty was the tortoise. So, Emily thought Totty was special because he had a... What is the answer, children? Yes, the answer is shell. What is the answer? Shell. S-H-E-L-L. The answer is shell. The answer is shell. So these are the answers for these questions. We will wait for you. You all can finish it. Yes, Vihan, you are right. Everyone are right. Oh wow, I can see some answers. That's really great. Your children are becoming so brilliant. If you are finished, just type finish in the chat box. Okay. Akshara, did you finish, dear? Okay, I think you have finished. I hope everyone have finished. So we can revise it once again, fill in the blanks. So let me ask one by one to read it. Vihan. Vihan, are you there, Vihan? Yes. Vihan? Vihan? Vihan, are you there? Okay, fine. Okay, you can click on that. Okay, Alia. Okay, Alia. Come on, try to read the first sentence in the fill in the blanks. Just try it, I will help you.
Yemen को baby elephant who lives in the jungle.
Wow, very good, Alia. So, what is the first question? Emily is a baby dash who lives in the jungle. So, the answer is elephant. So, Emily is a baby elephant who lives in the jungle. Great, Alia. That's really nice. Thank you so much. Next, we have Rudra. Come on, Rudra. Try to read the second sentence.
Emily
was
Yes.
sad
sad because she
had
had no friends.
Very good, Rudra. That's really great. Thank you so much for doing that. So, Emily was sad because she had no friends. Emily was sad because she had no friends. Next, we have Akshara. Come on, Akshara. Try to read the third sentence.
Benny
Could not
be friends with Emily and she could not lie.
Wow, Akshara, that's really nice. You're trying really hard to read that sentence. So, a big applause for you. I think you can hear it. That's really nice. Thank you so much for doing that, dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So, what is the question? Binny could not be friends with Emily as she could not dash. The answer is lie. Binny could not be friends with Emily as she could not fly. That's really great, Akshara. Next we have Akshaya. Yes, Akshaya. No, next one. Fourth one. Yes.
Special because he could live and play in the water.
Wow, that's really great, Akshaya. Well done, dear. Thank you so much for answering.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. So, the question is, Finny was special because he could live and fly in the dash. The answer is water. Finny was special because he could live and fly in the water. That's really great. Next we have Kavan. Yes, Kavan.
Emily thought he was special because he had a shell.
Wow, that's really great, Kavan. You're reading really well. You're welcome, dear. You're welcome. So, as Kavan said, the question is, Emily thought Totty was special because he had a dash. The answer is shell. Emily thought Totty was special because he had a shell. Well done, children. It's okay. Varshita, Adila, Divesh, I think you were staying on the line. That's really nice. We can see you all in the homework session. So I will give you a chance for reading that. So thank you so much for doing this. You all did a very good job. Your children are becoming so brilliant and smart for doing everything. So, okay. So this is going to be the end of the class. Okay. So we have our homework session at 3 to 4. So in that period, we'll be doing our math homework. That is page number 43 in book C. And if we have time, even we can do this value education. We can have a reading practice. So I kindly want everyone to join and make use of that session. It will be really useful for your kids. For that invite, I think you have sent some message in that for Google Classroom thing. You can contact PRO whether what email ID you have given to the school. So kindly check on that and try to join the group as soon as possible, parents. So it's a kind request for you all. Okay. So do you have any questions, everyone? Do you have any questions? Okay. Varshita, do you have any question, dear? Varshita?